In this video, I will show you step by step how we can remove a background from a picture just by using Canva. It's for free and it's super easy, and let's get started. So what you need to do first, just open your Canva homepage like this, okay? It's really super easy. Go to canva.com and click over here on upload, okay? Then click over here on choose file, and you're gonna choose a picture from your laptop that you want to remove the background from. So for example, I want to remove a background from this picture, okay? So I will choose this picture and I will click over here on open, and it's gonna take you to this next step like this. Click over here on use in new design, okay, like this, and you're gonna choose which size you want to use for this picture. So if you want to post this picture on Facebook post, you can use this size. If you want Instagram post, you can use this size, and that's it. Or you can choose your custom size over here, okay? So for example, you will just click over here on Facebook post size, and you will be directly in this page like this, okay? So to remove a background from this picture, what you need to do, just click on this picture like this, okay? You should see over here edit photo, okay? Click on edit photo like this, and it's gonna take you to this page like this over here, to this bar, and you should see over here background remover, okay? Click on background remover, and here you go, your background will be removed from this picture, okay? And here you go. It's really super easy. So that's how you can remove a background from a picture using Canva, okay? And after you finish, click over here on share, scroll down and click on download, and this picture will be download to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.